Lights out again? That sudden silence can feel unsettling, but what if you were always prepared? In this video, I'll reveal the top 5 power stations to keep your life running smoothly. You'll discover reliable solutions fast. Stick around and check the links below to grab the best options easily. At number 5 is EcoVolt Portable Power Station A Blackout. Doesn't just cut power, it steals comfort, security, and control in an instant. When everything goes dark, this model steps in like a quiet lifeline. Built for real-world outages, it delivers steady backup power for essentials like lights, phones, and even small appliances without the noise or fumes of traditional generators. Setup feels effortless. Portability makes it practical for apartments, homes, or emergency kits. It's especially ideal for families, remote workers, and anyone tired of sudden disruptions. Battery capacity holds strong, though heavy-duty users may find it slightly limited compared to larger units like the EcoFlow Delta series. Charging speed is impressive, and multiple output ports add flexibility for modern needs. There's a reassuring simplicity in knowing you're covered when the grid fails. In a world where outages arrive unannounced, choosing a dependable power station like this one brings back a sense of calm, preparedness, and everyday resilience. At number 4 is Anker SOLIX Gen 2 Portable Power Station. Power outages rarely warn you, they hit fast, leaving your routine hanging by a thread. That's where the Anker SOLIX Gen 2 changes the equation. Designed for modern backup power needs, it keeps essentials alive, from refrigerators to laptops, without the chaos of fuel-based generators. Setup feels quick. Power delivery feels stable. For homeowners, remote workers, and emergency planners, it offers a dependable bridge when the grid disappears. Battery capacity supports extended use, while fast recharging minimizes downtime. It's not flawless. The weight can feel noticeable when moving it often, and heavy appliance users might still look toward larger units like the Jackery Explorer 2000 Plus for higher output. Still, the balance here stands out. Quiet operation. Clean energy. Versatile ports that match real-life demands. It transforms a stressful blackout into something manageable, giving you control when everything else feels uncertain and keeping your space functional when darkness takes over unexpectedly. On number 3 is Marbero 88 watt-hour portable power station. Most people don't realize how quickly a small blackout can turn into a major inconvenience until their phone dies at the worst moment. The Marbero 88 watt-hour portable power station steps in as a compact yet practical backup solution when reliability matters most. Built for light emergency use, it powers essentials like smartphones, LED lights, and small electronics with quiet efficiency. Setup is simple. Portability is its real strength. For travelers, students, or anyone building a basic emergency kit, it fits seamlessly into daily life without adding bulk. Battery capacity is modest, so it's not meant for heavy appliances, especially when compared to larger units like the Anker SOLIX C1000. Still, its fast charging options and multiple output ports make it surprisingly versatile for its size. There's a sense of reassurance in having a lightweight power source ready when outages strike unexpectedly, keeping your most important devices alive when everything else suddenly goes dark. At number 2 is Jackery Explorer 300 Portable Power Station 1. Unexpected blackout can freeze an entire day in seconds, leaving you searching for light, charge, and control all at once. The Jackery Explorer 300 Portable Power Station steps in as a dependable, compact backup designed for real emergency moments and modern off-grid convenience. It delivers stable power for phones, routers, cameras, and small appliances, making it a strong contender among portable backup generators for home outages and travel readiness. Setup is effortless, and the lightweight build makes it easy to carry during camping trips or sudden grid failures. Ideal for campers, remote workers, and minimal emergency prep users, it balances portability with practical output. Battery capacity is moderate, so it won't run heavy devices for long, especially compared to larger units like the EcoFlow River 2 Max, but its fast recharge and multiple output ports keep essentials running smoothly. In moments when silence falls and everything stops working, this compact power companion restores just enough control to keep life moving forward. Now moving to the last one, is Pecron Solar Generator Portable Power Station A sudden grid failure doesn't just interrupt power, it disrupts safety, routine, and peace of mind in an instant. The Pecron Solar Generator Portable Power Station enters that moment as a resilient off-grid backup built for real emergency energy needs and sustainable living. It supports multiple devices at once, from essential home electronics to outdoor gear, making it a practical option for blackout preparedness and portable solar charging setups. Setup feels intuitive, and pairing it with solar panels adds long-term independence from unstable electricity supply. It's ideal for homeowners in outage-prone areas, RV travelers, and anyone building a serious emergency power kit. Performance is solid, though its bulk can be less convenient compared to lighter units like the Jackery Explorer 300, especially for frequent movement. Still, its higher capacity and solar compatibility give it an edge for extended outages. When darkness stretches longer than expected, this unit helps rebuild structure in the chaos, keeping essential systems alive when everything else fades out. The real winner in this lineup is the Jackery Explorer 300 portable power station because it delivers the most balanced solution for power outages, camping, and everyday emergency backup without overcomplicating anything. It hits that sweet spot of portability, reliability, and practical output, making it ideal for keeping phones, laptops, routers, and small essentials alive during blackouts. Compared to bulkier units like Pecron solar generators or higher capacity stations, it avoids unnecessary weight while still offering solid 293 watt-hours performance. The fast recharge options and multiple ports make it incredibly user-friendly when stress levels are high during outages. Its limitation is obvious. It won't run heavy appliances for long, unlike larger ones in WH+ systems, but that's expected in this category. For homeowners, travelers, and emergency prep beginners, it feels like the safest entry point into portable backup power. If you want dependable energy that works when the grid fails without overspending or overthinking, this is the one that quietly earns its place in your setup. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best power stations for power outages. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.